start. Now let's just start. So this is XVIII 700. This only has 7 bullets could be inside. The bullets are yellow balls. This is called a magazine. You can't put these bullets because it won't shoot. And it's a little bit hard to reload. And this is a locker bit. So this is an old rifle. This is a cool rifle, like a big one. This one has 3 magazines and it's easy to reload. And it has lots of yellow balls inside. The same, you're not allowed to put this inside because it will not shoot. And when you can't shoot this in someone's eye because it's very powerful. For this one, it's even powerful. Because this gun is different from this gun. Because this one's more powerful than this one. And this gun is like we had this first rival. And this is our second rival. Has 3 shooting bits. When you shoot, if you want to lock it, you just press this, then it's locked. With this one, when you lock, it's this. And I don't really know what's this button, but it's very easy. With this one, you can just take out the bullets. But with the other one, you need to press the button. You need to reload first and take out. You need to press this button over here to take this out. This one's very easy to take out the magazine. And I will show you how it shoots. With the white one, here. Nah. Oh. And there. I think it's jammed. I don't know, but this gun's even strong like this, but I think this one's more powerful than this one. And these tiny holes, I don't know, I think it's decoration for the gun, but bye-bye guys, and I hope you liked our